everyone, this is Andrea from the Bailey Advantage Real Estate. It's time for our monthly market update. We've had numbers out for September 2025 and those numbers show us that 505 homes sold in the entire month of September. If you compare this with the 540 homes that sold in August and the 649 homes that sold in July, that is definitely down from our July and August numbers. So it is not surprising, but at the same time it is a little bit because this is supposed to be our fall market. If you're a buyer sitting on the fence, we have so many opportunities right now. Over 2,000 homes listed, active listings on the market as of this morning. So what are you waiting for? This is your time to make that move forward. Now we do acknowledge, yes, the unemployment numbers did come out as well around the same time, just very recently, and that's showing us it's sitting at 7.9%, so that is considerably higher. So that could have a bearing on what's going on with our real estate market, and at the same time, it could be just buyers, or some buyers as well, just deciding to wait, thinking that maybe prices are going to come down a little bit more even in the next few months. This is what the Cornerstone Association of Realtors has to say. The September housing market continues to reflect broader economic conditions with sales remaining below both last year's levels and the 10-year average. So this was from the spokesperson of the Waterloo region market, and then she goes on to say, while sales volumes have moderated from last year, this shift has created a more balanced market where buyers can take time with their decisions, and well-priced properties continue to attract attention, and experienced realtors are helping both buyers and sellers navigate these changing conditions successfully. Gone are the days of the COVID market where anything would come on the market would be gone in a matter of hours or days. Now we are in a market where you have to really be working with experienced realtors who have your best interests at heart and who know what they're doing in the advice to you. So snatching up properties at great values right now for buyers, there's tons and tons and tons of opportunities and options out there. So you really need to be talking to someone who you have confidence and trust in, that has your best interest at heart, that is fighting in your corner for you. In terms of the average prices, let's just have a quick look at what the average prices of homes showing us for the month of September. We saw detached homes sitting at 858,000. That's up from September 2024. The average sale price for a townhome is now 606,000, which is 1.7% increase from last year same time. And apartment style condos sitting at an average of 442,000. And then for a semi-detached, it's also in the low 600s at 621,000. So in general, the townhome, semi-detached, even able to find a single family home now in the 600s very easily. So really the gap between buying a condo townhome or a freehold townhome, a semi-detached and a single family home, that gap is really closing in. So instead of looking at a townhome, if you have the opportunity, check out the detached homes on the market. They might be slightly older, but they may also come with larger property lot sizes where you have potential to do a lot more with that land. So look at what's out there. Don't just be fixated on a certain type or category of home. That would be my advice to you as a buyer. Let's look at what's out there, what you can make the highest and best use of at this point in time to create generational wealth. This is Andrea Bailey from the Bailey Advantage Real Estate. It's been great looking at the numbers with you, and we'll be back for the next market update next month.